Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinka's channel.
In today's video, we're exploring Windows Moon Valley RC1, a release candidate that builds on the improvements made in Beta 3. For those unfamiliar, Windows Moon Valley is a mod aimed at enhancing both the aesthetics and functionality of Windows, combining the clean interface of Windows 10X with the modern features of Windows 11. In RC1, several updates have been introduced to smooth out the user experience. The project team has implemented crucial under-the-hood fixes, improving system stability while refining the UI. Notable changes include new icons in WinRE, fresh animations, and a revamped Windows Media Player icon. These updates add a layer of cohesiveness to the operating system. One of the key highlights of Windows Moon Valley RC1 is the improvements to the out-of-box experience, OOBE. If you're setting this up for the first time, you'll notice a much more fluid and user-friendly setup process, enhanced clock synchronization, and various bug fixes from earlier versions. Performance optimizations are a major focus in RC1. Users will experience enhanced speed, smoother transitions, and fewer crashes, particularly when switching between apps or running intensive programs. These stability improvements make this version ideal for testing on a virtual machine or secondary system.
Where all I know is coming into focus. these moments. Oh, I got lost on a winding road in the dark of night with the stars aglow. Heaven's up above, got me below as I head to you like the river flows. Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning, like I'm living in a dream.
RC1 goes beyond just fixing bugs. It builds on the foundation laid by previous betas, bringing refinements in key areas. For instance, the clock now functions seamlessly across different time zones, and the Windows Media Player icon has been updated to match the modern UI. These enhancements help create an integrated feel, addressing many design inconsistencies noted in Windows 11.
And now I see it's in these moments. It's in these moments. I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow. I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt the glow. The warmth inside me kept me afloat. It felt like heaven. I found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. You're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. And if I fall...
That wraps up our overview of Windows Moon Valley RC1. With its improved design, stability, and functionality, this release candidate brings us closer to a final product that could revolutionize Windows modding. Be sure to subscribe for more OS content and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest uploads. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.